Okay, so now that I have all of my edges on the top defined, I am yet again sharpening my pencil, and now I am ready to take and make the entrance and exit vertical lines. So I know that this is an entrance here, so I am gonna have a vertical line coming down here, a vertical line coming down here. This bottom edge, just like we practiced on that worksheet, is gonna go across here. I'm gonna stop it when I hit the next side of the building, and I can take and erase that little bit there. So now that is an entrance into my maze. I also have another entrance over here, so this is another quick vertical line, vertical line. Now it's because it's on this left side, I connect to the right vanishing point, going that way, erase the little bit over here. Now my other one is this guy back here. This is going to be a vertical line right here, and that's all you see of that exit way there. So I'm going to go through and erase these last little grid boxes that I don't need anymore, because now I have to go through and add all of my corner vertical lines. And this is where everyone's like, but I don't know what to do. I don't know which ones have corners. Okay, it's gonna be real easy, I promise. I mean, it's gonna be complex, but I'm gonna pretend it's easy and we're all gonna do it anyways. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go block by block. This has all its sides. There's nothing that's missing. This one here has a free floating corner though. So that's gonna get a vertical line coming down. Over here, no free floating corner. This one, it's got a corner. This one over here, it's not free floating because if I drew the vertical line down, it would go into the thing. Again, goes into the thing. Again, goes into the wall. That one already has one, already has one. Ah, I found one. This one goes into the wall. This one has one. This one, nope, would go into my wall. This one does not, comes down. This one also does not, comes down. This one comes down. This one comes down. That one would go into my wall. You're into my wall. You're into my wall. This one comes down. This one comes down. And this one comes down. And this one comes down. You're into a wall, into a wall. Here's one, and here's one, and here's one, and here's one, here's one, and here's one, and here's one, and there's one, and there's one, and there's one, and I think that's it. Okay, now the one kind of crazy part is that if the bottom edge of your wall, now that you've made all these vertical lines, you've kind of got to look like, how tall is this wall? If this outside edge is taller than this bit, then you can get away with not having to do a parallel line. But once you get back here, this wall is skinnier, so this bottom edge here actually has to like go back. And then this corner over here goes up to that vanishing point. So if you have big open areas in your maze, oh, I don't think you saw that at all because it was too far up. I just did this guy up here. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I was off screen. This guy right here, I just connected back over here and this corner over here because the height of this wall is, like if I were to pull it over here, it's like, this is short. If I had left this so that it goes all the way down, it would look too tall for where it is. The same thing with right over here. If I'm looking, the bottom edge of this wall should have like a little line here. Like that should be, like I can see the bottom of this side. So when I'm saying that, it may seem a little confusing. Also, my camera fell down. When did that happen, guys? All right, pause. Okay, so I realized that the camera was falling down for the last little bit of this video, so I'm gonna have to figure out how much you guys saw and how much I'm gonna have to like voice over edit some stuff. But this is basically what yours is going to look like when it is ready to do last kind of final touch erasing stuff and is ready to start the shading.